Did you know that you have the power to keep your brain sharp and healthy? I'm going to share with you 2 simple exercises that you can practice daily to help heal your brain. You know that saying, if you don't use it, you'll lose it? This applies to your brain as well. When we practice brain exercises regularly, this creates changes, reorganization, and builds neural connections called neuroplasticity. All of this helps with your memory, your cognitive health, as well as being creative. And you're never too old to help heal your brain. This is great news, especially in my case. I have a background as an international ice dancer, and when my partner and I trained for many years together, we had several accidents and I had some concussions. I even have some stitches in the back of my head. And unfortunately, also, about 5 years ago, I had a car accident which resulted in a concussion as well. So it is unfortunate that there are a lot of people out there who have had injuries or have a family member that may have memory issues, suffering from dementia or Alzheimer's. What's comforting is knowing that there is something that we can do to help slow down the aging process and heal our brain. Fitness is definitely about our body, but fitness also includes our brain. So in many of my classes that I teach, I like to include some fun, simple exercises, brain exercises, so that my clients can go home and from day to day, they can use these brain activities to help keep their brain sharp. There are scientific proven benefits that with working your brain, you're going to think faster, you're going to focus better, and you're going to remember more. Now, this all leads to feeling happier, healthier, and having more control in your life. Now, I want you to stay till the end after I show you these 2 exercises because I have more tips and techniques that you can bring into your daily life to help with your brain health. Okay, let's get to those exercises. Let's put those hands up. We're going to have one thumb up, finger out. And then what I want you to do is bring that thumb down and change hands. And the other finger comes out. And we're going to do this super slow to begin with. So thumb up, fingers pointing, the pointer comes down, thumb comes down, and then change, the thumb comes up and change the pointer. So I'm going to make this a little smoother here. I'm going to go super slow. So we're alternating, one thumb up, the other thumb up. The other one is pointing. Good. Now see, when you practice this, I'm just going to bring my hands down a little bit. When you practice this, can you go a little faster? And then I'll slow it down. And sometimes these are good to do in front of the mirror. You are working your right and left side of your brain. Good. A little faster. Excellent. Shake it out. Excellent. Let's take a nice big deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now, it's super important that you have fun with these. I want you to be patient with yourself. Sometimes they come quicker, sometimes it may take a little bit longer to learn. That's no big deal. You are working your noggin. Okay, so this next one, we're going to also right and left brain. Let's take one hand. So I'm going to take my left hand on my nose here, a little squeeze, right hand on my left ear. And then you're going to come down, slap your knees, and do the opposite. So my right hand on my nose, left hand on my right ear. Down. So opposite. There we go. Squeeze your nose and your earlobe. Just a gentle, just like you're touching. Now we can go slower, So it's opposite, opposite. That's it. Squeeze, Squeeze. Now, if you want to try to go a little faster, good, and you can slow it down. That's it. Do 2 more. Great job. Awesome. Like I said, have patience with yourself. Those are 2 fun ones that you can try every day. Just kind of incorporate it in your day. Look in the mirror, start your day off, take a break from your desk. If you're sitting at your desk and you just want a break, awesome. Okay, so let's get to those tips and techniques that you can use on a daily basis. Number 1, take a short nap, a 20-minute nap. Yes, 7 to 9 hours of good sleep is good for the brain. We're gonna have a happy brain. But many of us don't necessarily have that, or maybe we're feeling a little tired and you need a break. So take a short nap. 2, increase your vocabulary. So learn a new word a day. Number 3, use your non-dominant hand to do things. So if you're right-handed, I'm right-handed, use your left hand then to brush your teeth or pick something up. Or if you notice that you tend to turn to the right or your dominant side, you step to the right, try to be aware of it and start using your left side. Now, as a bonus, when you brush your hair with your non-dominant hand, this can be really helpful if you experience anxiety, stress, worry. Get that brush in your non-dominant hand and gently brush your hair. You're going to also notice that your anxiety goes down. So that's just kind of a side note. Number 4, play chess. Now, you can do this in little spurts. You don't have to do this like a long session. You can do this even daily in little spurts. And you can play on your own and you're still going to reap the benefits with boosting your brain health. There are apps that are out there as well as online. You can look at something like chess.com. Number 5, I want you to unplug from your workday. So when work is done, leave work behind. This is going to help reduce stress and clear your mind. Number 6, use rhymes and formulas, such as sayings. Sally sells seashells by the seashore, and you can say that over and over again. There's all different ones out there that you can look at. Number 7, I love this one. Food that we eat. Food is our medicine. Did you know that our brain will consume 1/4 of everything that we eat? That's pretty cool. So foods like walnuts. Walnuts are full of omega-3s. I want you to take a look at a walnut. It even looks like a brain. I think it looks pretty cool. We've got blueberries high in antioxidants. Avocados have the good fats. Vitamin D, that's huge. And magnesium. So vitamin D and magnesium supplements. My neurologist, actually after that car accident that I mentioned, had said to start including magnesium on a regular basis. So I take a magnesium every day. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you feel empowered, knowing that you can make a positive difference with your brain health and how you feel. Make sure you watch more of our videos to help you decrease stress and improve your energy. Thanks again for watching. Have a beautiful day.